Learning about the life story of Kamal Chopra, I thought it is essential to spread it to the masses, especially the people in print. It was really hard me to convince Kamal to agree to his biographical sketch. He relented when he reminded it needed to be told of a role model like him so as to further advance printing technologies, education, research, to motivate printers to work in lockstep, ensure quality and work ethics. It is the backdrop contributions of Kamal Chopra to the print world have resulted in this volume. It is an acknowledgement to an individual, to an institution printing. He is an ordinary person in printing industry, yet he is an extraordinary printer. Coming from a middle class family, he made a humble beginning with a small printing press in which he had invested just around 1800 rupees. But he rose to become president of All India Federation of Master Printers. He earned the title of a professor at one of the world's best printing technology institution, BIGC, Beijing Institute of Graphic Communication. He was twice awarded by the President of India for excellence in designing and printing in 80s, when he had just set up his own modest printing press, foil printers. Awards, honors, and recognitions did not make Kamal complacent. He remained steadfast in his resolve to continue to serve the cause of printing industry, teaching, research, and adoption of new technologies and innovations, and working for the cooperative and networking endeavors for the good of the printing industry. In fact, even for Kamal, it was a dream come true that a small town boy could achieve so much while serving the cause of the printing industry. Today, we have with us Professor Brij Kishorji Putiala, chief guest of book release ceremony. Without much delay, may I take the opportunity to request Professor B.K. Putiala sir to release my book, a biography, Life in Print of Professor Kamal Chopra. Over to you, sir.
I congratulate both Balalji and Kamalji for this very laudable effort that would help the new youngsters to take Kamal as role model for entrepreneurship and startups.
I'd like to request Sri Divyajyoti Kalita, President AIFMP, to say something regarding Kamalji for this book. Kalitaji.
Really, I think today is a historic day of our entire printing fraternity. Thank you, wishing you, and launching the print of biography of Professor Kamalji. Thank you so much once again, everyone.
Today we have with us a dynamic print personality, my guru and gurus of all gurus, Professor R.K. Anandji, my guru. Sir, Anand sir, please say a few words for the biography. Over to Anand sir.
Okay. It's a great opportunity to speak a couple of words in this historical moment or event happening in the country. In fact, when I heard about this program, the first thing what came into my mind, whenever I look at Kamalji, he is not just a book, he is an encyclopedia. He is a dictionary. So it's much above than a normal book. the kind of effort Professor Anjan Baral has put to compile the activities, even a simple book cannot have that. The entire activities, what Kamalji has done and contributed for this industry. We jovially speak like the meaning of Kamal in Indian language is lotus. It happened to be our national flower also. India's national flower is lotus. So he is the lotus of the printing industry. This is the way we look at him. Because he is the real catalyst, the connecting point between industry, institute, researcher, international connections, everything. The moment you talk about printing, without Kamalji, there is no printing. And to complete the first story, what I said, like what Kamalji will do in the last 5 months, I was just looking. My God, the kind of activities he performed in last 5 months is unbelievable. Every day some programs, some value additions, write-ups, and this is the way it is going on. So I pray God Almighty to give him sufficient health, sufficient time, and everything to continue this for another 100 years. That's the only thing what I can wish now. And thank you, Kamalji. And my close friend and student also, Anjan Baralji, he took all the time to write such a book. And somebody has to record it. People will ask why we should write an autobiography or why you want to write about somebody. It's not just like that. This is the lesson. This is the something like a prescription manual what the next generation or the existing generation can read and understand and progress further. Without taking much time, I thank once again Baralji and Kamalji and for all my other teacher friends and industry friends for giving me also an opportunity to be with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your sweet words and for your blessings. Always you inspire us to do some good work and keep on going. Thank you so much, sir. We have with us Sri Narendra Pachuri from Pragati Offset, the most dynamic print personality in India. Sir, I would like to request you to bless few words on Kamalji. Narendra ji.
Actually, as Professor Anayat said, not much I could add to what I can do. I mean, what I can say about Kamalji. Thank you so much for doing so much for the print industry. As somebody just commented, we look forward to receiving a copy so that we can all read and make sure that we go through the story completely. Congratulations, and really very happy that I am a part of this function.
Now we have with us Karan Chopra. He is a grandson. So he has contributed a lot for this book preparation. So now I would like to request Karan to say a few words.
Very good morning to all of you, and sorry I had to keep you guys waiting. I wasn't prepared for it. I wasn't expected to be called upon in this company of really elite and extremely talented people, but thank you so much for this opportunity. And yes, I would like to, if Baral sir is listening, I would like to congratulate him and wish him all the best. And I would also like to wish my grandfather, Mr. Kamal Mohan Chopra, for a great life he's had, and the book that's been written on him, it's brilliant. And thank you, Baral sir, that you could take me just for the small contribution I could give in the book. And thank you so much.
A.K. Sinha sir among us.
I congratulate Dr. Professor Chopra for his new book, and hope the series of the books will come in the line to know ourselves better, because he's much exposed and much experienced in the trade. Thank you, and thank you all very much.
Now we have with us Rajnish Agnihotri, one of his very close of Kamalji, because he's been associated with Kamalji from a long time. So while preparing the book, I have also contacted him n number of times. So we want to hear from him also regarding the book, because he knows Kamalji very well. So may I request रजनीश अग्निहोत्री जी, प्लीज आप कुछ बोलिए, प्लीज रजनीश जी.
I really appreciate the hard work of Mr. Chopra. He's been working very hard right from the college days. He used to print Mudrandeep magazine, where we used to, work whole night along with him, and he's kept that same pace even till now. He's, written this book. It's really very remarkable of him, and this will give a encouragement to others also in the same trade to come up with some ideas and write something about the industry, printing industry, which is an ever-growing industry, never fading, never dying. It will always be there for for generations. You can say it's been there from generations. It will be there for generations. And Mr. Chopra has been really working in other fields also for keeping this whole flock together of printers all over the country, of students of various institutes. So I really say my hats off to Mr. Chopra. He's really a fine, thorough gentleman, very hardworking. I've been, visiting all these exhibitions and all. He's been very active, and he was active in China. He was active in the Mumbai exhibition, which was held last year. So I really appreciate that he kept this, pace even till now. At this age, we somehow think of taking retirement or something like that, except for leisure reading or something like that, or maybe leisure interest in the subject because of our professional qualifications. But Mr. Chopra has been, doing a sort of a research, you can say. He has been very vocal also on this platform, and very I would say that up to date, you can call him. He moves with the technology. He is very well updated with the technology, and I think I would wish him all the luck for future generations and all. He started off as a printing press manager with Agriculture University, Ludhiana, and by that time also he was running a small printing press at home. I still remember once I had visited Ludhiana, and he took me to his house. I had lunch with him there, and he was running a small printing press. Then he graduated to, now he's got a very well established printing press, and he has very hardworking sons also. They have given him a lot of support, so that they are looking after the press, and Mr. Chopra can be taking care of other the interests of the industry. So congratulations, Mr. Chopra. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now it is my honor to call. He is from Lucknow Printers Association, Harjinder ji.
Thank you so much, Dr. Baral, for giving me the opportunity to speak in this auspicious session. So here I like to congratulate Professor Kamal Chopra ji, and on his behalf, I would appreciate the effort of Dr. Baral for taking out his, and giving his precious time for so many months. I think more than 2 years now. more than 2 years now, and coming up with this excellent book and writing an autobiography on one of the torchbearer of the printing industry of India, that is Professor Kamal Chopra ji. So, you know, we are speaking about the printing industry often, and but unfortunately, I think most of us are unable to understand why the printing industry is one of the most, you know, unwanted areas in our daily lives, and why the common people are not able to understand the importance of printing. So this is one of the very, very important essential part which we need to address, so that printing at least becomes popular, not only in India but throughout the world, and people are able to understand the importance of printing. Why this is happening now, this is very, very essential to understand. One important point is I like to mention here is that there are certain things there are certain parts in a life which we do on regular basis. We are not able to understand its importance, like we are drinking water, and even after drinking so much water, we are unable to understand the importance of water. We are breathing oxygen, we are unable to understand the importance of oxygen in our daily lives. But when do we understand the importance of these two important objectives? Is only when certain areas or certain, you know, options are created by these two things, and we are able to understand that how important is water and the oxygen in our daily lives. But unfortunately, that is not happening with the printing industry, and hence the printing industry is not able to create the impact it should had done, and the common people to understand the importance of printing. So this is the importance of printing, that it has integrated so very well into our daily lives that we are not able to understand its importance. So I think it is the opportunity as well as our responsibility of all the office bearers, of the associations, the all related to this industry, to derive methods and, you know, possibilities so that the common people are able to understand the importance of printing. So by this, I'll thank you and for giving me the opportunity to speak on this occasion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harjinder ji, for your nice words. Bir Bahadur,
yes sir, yes sir.
Just say a few words regarding.
That's great moment today, and thanks to Kamal sir and for their achievement in the being a printing technologist. This is the memorable, and this is the learning for all the printers. And thanks to Baral sir, my guru, and for he is forced to write down the third book. And third book is the details about the printing dignitaries, how they achieve the milestone, and he is the international personality from the Indian side. So we also 2-3 times share the platform under guidance of Kamal sir in GJU and Kurukshetra University, and also he is our in the printing association. They also delighted there.
Now we have with us Vrindavan Bera. Sir.
Congratulations, sir, Kamalji and Dr. Baral on the opening of the book. I am very much happy. And about Kamalji, he is a nice person and is a very selflessly doing so many things for the country and for the printing industry. And he has taken so many strain. And today I have seen his publication regarding the publication, not printing of the diary and calendar and these things. He has made a great thing, and everybody will cooperate him to get the job done.
Now we have with us Sri Surendra Dhoteji, and we want to hear from you, Surendra ji. Please.
Good afternoon, everybody on the platform. Anjan ji, I would like to share something with you. Anjan, you have come very far in a very short period. Congratulations. Eagerly waiting to read the book written by you on Kamalji reacting and reaching the milestone. Congratulations. Kamalji is a name in teaching, in academic field, and a great opportunity to speak on Kamalji is in this program is a pleasure. I am honored. He is converting himself as an encyclopedia for printing technology. My congratulations, Kamalji and Professor Kamal Chopra ji. My pranam, gratitude and encouragement to this legend fellow, Kamalji. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Dutta sir, thank you.
Thank you, Anjan. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
now
you.
we have may I request Arunji to say a few words on this.
First of all, I congratulate Dr. Baral for taking out the book on Kamalji. It's a great thing to have in an industry. Like Kamalji is a icon in printing industry. So I congratulate Kamalji also on his book. Thank you very much, Baral. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have with us Ashwini Gupta, one of the leading printer of North. And may I request Gupta ji to say a few words on this occasion. Ashwini ji.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great moment for me. It's a great moment for me to witness this occasion. And I, first of all, before congratulations to Kamalji, I want to congratulate Dr. Baral for taking this topic to write a book, biography on Kamal Chopra ji. We are very old associated with Kamalji, but Baral Saab has taken lead and opted to write a book on Kamal Chopra ji. He is, it is very rightly said, he is an encyclopedia of printing. And everybody will remember him for the work he is doing with passion and dedication and enthusiastic way. He is a knowledgeable person. He will remain in the minds of the coming generation of students. He is mostly loved by the students, teachers, and the print industry in India. He is a very well-known personality in international level also, and we are very proud to be associated with Kamalji. Thank you, Baral Saab, for this book, and I congratulate Kamalji for this achievement. And everybody should learn from Kamalji. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwini ji. Thank you for your sweet words. Now we have with us Dalit Tuli Saab, one of the renowned printer and a personality to be recognized. Sir, Tuli Saab, we want to hear from you. Over to Tuli Saab.
Sir, thank you very much for inviting me to speak something. You know, you have done a great job for writing such a wonderful book for Kamalji. As you know, Kamalji, I really have no words to say the contribution of Kamalji in this printing industry. I think I know him from last maybe about 20-30 years. The amount of time he has spent in promoting printing industry is remarkable. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Okay,
we have with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, we have with us Hemant Kumar Mishra ji. But sir, Hemant ji, kindly say a few words on this occasion. Hemant Kumar Mishra ji.
Actually, the biography written by Professor Anjan is, of course, will be a very important information for all the students, emerging students, to get the most important informations regarding the successful events of a successful man in the country. So it is definitely a worthy initiative taken by Professor Anjan. And I will try my best also to just translate it into Odia to communicate these important information to the students of Odisha, basically in Odia version. That's what I discussed with Professor Anjan yesterday night. I think all the best It's a pleasure to be with Kamal sir, be with all stalwarts of the country. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And it is for information to all. Very soon we are going to translate into other languages, regional languages, so that people can read it easily. We have one more great personality with us, Sri Anubhav Sikshatra. So now may I request Anubhav ji to share few words with us. Anubhav ji.
Respected dignitaries and stalwarts of printing, judges, Mr. Kamal Mohan Chopra, Mr. Baral, and Vijender Singh Kumar. It's so nice to be here and be a part of you. I've seen Kamalji working since 1966 to 69. Very hard working day and night in the institute also, from where he did his diploma. Congratulations to Baralji for writing a biography on Mr. Kamal Chopra. Thanks a lot for being. I could never have imagined that a printer will be getting a biography done by somebody like Mr. Baral. Thank you so much, Mr. Baral. And
may I request Professor T.K.S. Lakshmipriya Madam to say a few words?
Good afternoon, everybody.
Yes, yes.
It's a privilege to be a part of this event. Kamalji, as long as we are concerned, Kamalji is synonymous to printing industry. So I first met him in Ooty, and then in the 150th year of Government of India Press, when Mr. A.K. Sinha had invited us for the 150th year celebrations. Since then, our institute has been inspired by Kamalji's activities, and we are doing a lot of things with Kamalji as well. So it's a great thing to know that a book has been released in about Kamalji. So this again would be an inspiration to my students. Thank you very much. Thank you. Proud to be a printer.
Thank you, madam. We have with us Dr. Nandakumar sir, one of the great print teacher. So now I would like to request Dr. Nandakumar sir to say a few words. Nandakumar sir.
Very good afternoon to all. It's a great privilege to get associated with the printing fraternity. And first of all, I congratulate Dr. Anjan Baralji, and he is very much blessed to write a book on Kamalji. Kamalji is a great person. When he was in Sivakasi, and he had given a small TED talk to our students, on the spot he announced one competition. Who comes first and says the answer for a simple question will be awarded with 500 rupees. Very simple question, but students were little bit hesitating. On the back bench, one person came forward and answered. Immediately he offered the cash prize and encouraged, and everybody was stunned. Sir, we all know that answer, but still Kamalji said that, see, who comes first, who dares to take a challenge or risk, he only can come up in the life. So Kamalji is a living example and greatest inspiration for everyone, not only for the students, for the teachers. Really, I wonder, Mr. Kamalji is how he works. Nobody knows it, because every time he is very active, and whenever he speaks, things are impossible, but he makes it everything possible. So such a wonderful personality. And I'm so happy to get associated with Professor Kamalji, and I'm also thankful to Anjan Baral for writing such a wonderful book. I'm very eager to read a book. So hopefully, Anjan Baralji, you tell me so that we can book a few copies and you can post it to us. We will want to have it. Thank you. Thank you once again. Great thing.
Thank you. Thank you, Nandakumarji sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And may I request Professor Madhura Mahajan Madam to say a few words. Madhura Madam.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Baralji. And I think today it is actually an auspicious day that this book has been released on Professor Kamal Chopra and written by Dr. Baral. And we are very glad that all of us, especially the education sector or the printing institutes, are today actually connected to one another. And I think we should all owe this to Professor Kamal Chopra. And otherwise, I guess we would have all been very, very much standalone entities, just trying to gauge or scale new heights for ourselves, but working in collaboration with each other, plus working in collaboration with the industry. And that is what is actually, I think, Professor Kamal Chopra has brought about that change. And I think, I mean, I myself is pretty much indebted to this gesture which he has, or this task, I would say, he has been carrying out since last so many years. So thank you, Professor Kamal Chopra, for this initiative. And congratulations, Dr. Baral, for your second book for its release. And we wish that you write many such more books.
I would like to request Sri Delan Francis, please say a few words.
Yes, actually, first of all, I must congratulate Kamal ji for what the wonderful things he are doing for the print industry. It is really amazing. It's wonderful. Since I met him in Sri Lanka, when he came to see me, and when he went back, within that short period of knowledge, getting to know him, the workload he has done through COVID and me participating in it is amazing. I must congratulate and thank him for what he's doing for the print industry and the print fraternity, which is really amazing. And thank you, Kamal ji, for what you are doing for the print industry, which is an encouragement for me as well as the entire world in the print fraternity. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Silva sir. Now, I would like to request Sri Ahmad Mughira Nurani ji to say a few words.
Thank you, Professor Baral. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Professor Kamal Mohan Chopra for the launching of the books, Life of Print. India is so proud of Mr. Kamal Chopra because he's not known in India, but he's known in all over the world, in Europe, in the United States, even in Indonesia. So we admire his work and we hope he's in a good health and successful life.
Now we have with us Professor Diptendu Chaudhary. Sir, Diptendu sir.
Thank you, Professor Rajiv Kumar Baral. First of all, I really convey my congratulations and regards to you for writing a book on Professor Kamal Chopra ji, because I think this book will not expose not only Kamal ji's activity, but in fact, it will give a historical fact, recorded facts about the printing activities which have been taken in the country for last few years. And all these recorded documents will help the future generations, the future students to learn that what was the situation of the country and what they can do further to take this printing field to a upper worlds.
I want to invite one of the finest personality of our printing industry, Sri Subhash Chandra ji. He was unanimously elected the president of All India Federation of Master Printers for the year 2008 and 9. A man of drive and initiative, he was born in the family of a freedom fighter. He owns decent offset press in Delhi. He has widely traveled internationally. Mr. Subhash Chandra held the post of president of Delhi Printers Association for 4 years. He has always been in the forefront of various activities connected with the development of the printing industry and the welfare of the printing fraternity. He played a leading role in organizing and managing Delhi Printing Association Technical Training Center. During his long association with AIFMP, Mr. Subhash Chandra has been its governing council member since 1984. He was its General Secretary, Treasurer, and Vice President North also. In addition, he has served the Federation as Chairman of important standing committees. It's my pleasure to invite Sri Subhash Chandraji.
Thank you, Mr. Baral. Sir, I have seen Kamal Chopra for the last so many years. He is a very dedicated man I have never seen in my life. He has got all the complete qualities. He loves printing profession. He loves printing students. Those are the future of the printing industry of India. This life in print, it is the first time in the history of the printing industry you have done a good job. You have written a book on our respectable past president of All India Federation of Master Printer. You did a good job. On behalf of the Federation and Printing Industry of India, I thank you very much. Thank you. Now, कमल जी ने वर्ल्ड प्रिंट फॉरम अभी पीछे बॉम्बे में ऑर्गेनाइज किया. He is no doubt he is an international figure. He has done a world print forum organized by Mr. Kamal Chopra along with PAMEX. It was a really good job. We celebrate Printer Day as per the guidance of Mr. Kamal Chopra, because every day when we have a country, Republic Day, Independence Day, Police Day, Mother Day, Teachers Day, but it was suggested by Kamal Chopra we should celebrate Printer Day on the birthday of the founder of printing, Mr. Gutenberg. So we printers are celebrating our Printer Day on 24th February every year. So printing industry is very thankful to you. On difficult times of lockdown, started with Professor Kamal Chopra, webinars and other activities covered on different subjects. 41 hours recorded videos is also available with OPA Ludhiana. Sir, you are the chairman of Print Olympiad, former president of All India Federation of Master Printer. In difficult times of lockdown, you started webinar and other activities covered on different subject topics. 41 hours recorded videos is also available with you. Printing Industry of India is proud of you. Professor Kamal Chopra is a renowned international figure in printing industry. Sir, कमल चोपड़ा जी के अंदर सभी गुण सम्मिलित हैं. वो प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री में जिन बच्चों ने आना है उनका कितना ख्याल रखते हैं. वो डिफरेंट जगह यूनिवर्सिटी में जाके प्रिंटिंग पढ़ाते हैं, उनकी क्लासेस लेते हैं और उनको सिखाते हैं. As a chairman of PAMEX, it was a great show in Bombay. It was just like an international exhibition. उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा इंडस्ट्री में ये प्रिंटिंग एग्जीबिशन लगाकर एक बड़ा मार्क छोड़ा है इसके लिए. वर्ल्ड प्रिंट फॉर्म during PAMEX exhibition and National Award exhibition, he has already, I told you, done it. He has done print yatra, 1,000 kilometers. He has done a print yatra and 68 new printing association made by Mr. Professor Kamal Chopra. Sir, one of big achievement, he has done it, 900 printers. They went to the abroad to see the latest printing exhibition with the help of Kamal Chopra and government. On government expenses, 2.57 crore under international cooperation scheme. Sir, I have never seen in my life like Kamal Chopra. He loves printing. He loves printing student. He loves printing passion. I have no words to say. He is such a knowledgeable person. And I hope so. He is our coming Federation president in future also. मैंने 40 साल की अपनी लाइफ के अंदर ऐसा इंसान नहीं देखा जिसको इतनी कोई नॉलेज हो। मैंने इनका प्रिंटिंग प्रेस भी देखा है, हर टाइप की इनको मशीन रखी हुई है इनने। आप कोई भी मशीन देखें, छोटी से लेके बड़ी से लेके हर टाइप की मशीन इनके प्रेस में है और एक्सीलेंट प्रिंटिंग जॉब करते हैं। इनके प्रेस में जाकर देखने का आनंद आ जाता है। तो आज इनकी जो आपने बराल साहब जो बुक रिलीज करी है, जब नेक्स्ट बुक आप कोई लिखेंगे, वो तो आपने मेरी बात कही कि ये रीजनल लैंग्वेज में ये प्रिंट होनी चाहिए। मैं सुभाष चंद्र, फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन ऑफ मास्टर प्रिंटर, समस्त भारतवर्ष की प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री की तरफ से आपको मुबारकबाद और धन्यवाद प्रकट करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir. Before concluding, I am honored to invite one more personality who is associated with Kamalji from a long time, because without her, this program will not be successful. I am honored to invite Madam Indubala Madam to say few words.
Thank you. सबसे पहले तो मैं बराल जी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ, और सभी जो हमारे भाई आए हुए हैं प्रिंटिंग एसोसिएशन से, उनका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। We are speechless. I'm proud of my brother so much. My mother as a father is not, but she look at us just my father. हमें अपने भाई पर बहुत ज्यादा प्राउड है। बचपन से ही इसका थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट प्रिंटिंग की तरफ था। जब हम छोटे छोटे थे तो मशीनें चला रहा हूँ, पेचकस लेकर कुछ लेकर, कभी साइकिल खोलो, कभी कुछ, इस तरह से इसका इंटरेस्ट रहा है। इसके साथ साथ फैमिली के प्रति, बहन भाई के प्रति भी प्यार बहुत ज्यादा है। तो बराल जी से मेरी पहले भी बात हुई है, तो हमें अपने भाई पर बहुत प्राउड है। हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे, वो खुद ही उसने स्टैंड लिया और इतने ऊपर पहुंचा है, जिसे देखकर हमें बहुत फख्र होता है कि सबको ऐसा ही भाई मिले। तो बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबकी उसको लगती रहें, और आपकी शुभकामनाओं की जरूरत है। तो बराल जी, मैं आपका काफी थैंक्स। एक बार आपने जो बुक मेरे भाई पे लिखी है, तो हमेशा हम ऑनर करते रहेंगे और आपको भी याद करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, madam, for your sweet words. Before concluding, may I request all the esteemed dignitaries who are present here to give a standing ovation to Kamalji, one of the finest men on this earth for printing. May I request everyone to give a stand-up ovation to Kamalji, please. It is my honor. Just a clap and a standing ovation to Kamalji. Sir, you deserve this, and you deserve much more. It is not the end of the story, because it is the what you have given to us. Over the years, I met you for the first time in 2000. For the last 20 years, I know you, the way you are, the way you lift us, the way you care for the industry, and the way you care for the students. Sir, we are highly thankful to you. There is no words to explain you. We are highly honored to have a person like you writing a book, and it gives me immense pleasure that my textbook is on Kamal sir. Years will be coming. In some another 100 years, 1000 years, people will read about you, your contribution, what you have given to this industry, and what you are, like rightly our Anand sir told. In this COVID, I was thinking what to do, because all the 24 hours in the room, nothing, and what you did, now I am over engaged. I don't have time. So thank you for inspiring me. Kamalji, finally, we want a concluding remark from you. Sir, may I request you, a humble person, a dedicated person, a knowledgeable person, and a helping hand. Kamalji, kindly conclude today's this gathering. Kamalji, please.
Such a great honor which was unexpected, and actually I was not prepared for it. I told Bral there's no need to write a book like that. Then he insisted that no sir, it is required for the children to follow, for the students to follow. So just I agreed for it. I'm thankful to Bral and thankful to all for what they have said for me. I'm not may not be capable to receive all these honors. Just it is your blessings. And Bral sahab नहीं बोला जाएगा. Sir, actually, one can reach to height only due to the efforts of the friends. Nobody, it is only the love you people are given, the strength you people are given, only then it was possible. Without that strength, without that thing, nothing is possible. Nobody alone can do anything. I still remember the way this thing had turned up. I'm thankful to Kothala sir. I was working in University Press. Suddenly a message came that you are invited at Hisar. So Kothala sir was at that time head of that department. And they said we are starting printing course. Why not to tell us something about that, how to do it, because you are only a qualified person. So that's why I reached the education side, or I felt that I should do something with the printing. Printing is a bread and butter for me. I studied printing, or I wanted to give something to the printing so that everybody can get equal chance and get the responsibility and earning of the printing. It's only a joint effort. In Loga, it was possible only due to the friends I got. Definitely, I'm lucky that I got the good friends. They prompted me. And second, they agreed to my suggestions. That was the other thing. When I suggested something, they agreed. So it's not me, it's you people. तो मेरे जैसे तो कई पड़े हैं. ये आप लोगों की कृपा है मेरे ऊपर, आप लोगों का एहसान है मेरे ऊपर कि आज मैं कुछ कर पाया. तो I'm thankful to all. बड़ा साहब बस अब और नहीं बोल सकूँगा. आप you have just इंदु को लाके आपने ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर दिया. I was not knowing that she is also coming here. So thank you very much. Thank you, बड़ा साहब. And definitely I'm thankful to the entire printing fraternity, all the students. Thank you very much for the love you people are giving. Thank you very much. Thanks. Nothing else I can say. Thank you.